same push. Again, even more professional. Look at the size of the box to show you how big it is. So I need to stop because no more room. Look at the size of this box. Completely filled it with glue. With one gun. Some more infos on the glue guns. This is the gun I was talking about. The thing is, you open this gun, there is a container in here. And the container you can pour in or add in every tab or glue stick that you would want to add in there. And the advantage of these type of glue guns is the whole container is melted. So if you can see in here, all the glue that is melted in there is ready to use. This one has the same system, but is even more interesting. This one has an air nozzle on it as well. So there is air pressure on this one. The moment you push, you just release. Same thing. We have the container here now filled up with glue. Close the container, and as you can see here, you just push and you start pouring out the glue as much as the container allows you or is filled up. As you could see earlier in the movie, I just with the rest of the container I'm doing this now, but I filled up the complete bottom of this box with this air gun. So this is the most professional approach you can have. Very interesting on this one too is the glue gun is actually a heater, and you can put these containers like silicone cartridges in there and you can change them. If you have another preferable glue that you don't want to contaminate with any other glues, then you just take another container, you fill it up with your preferred glue, you put a nozzle on it, and you can just add it in there, heat up the whole container, and you're ready to go. If you can see, this is unbelievable to use. This is a real professional glue application approach. This one here that I showed you earlier, this is the basic model. Most people will prefer this one. And as you can see, you can just pour out a lot of glue with just a squeeze of the hand. And it's done deal with just having no glue available or not enough glue coming out to fill up those tabs. As you can see, the glue that is actually in the gun and melted is ready to use. There is also a really interesting extra for these type of glue guns. You can actually add 34mm glue sticks. You can add the glue sticks you like to use, like the Camel Toe Collision or the Kiko Collision. You can do the tab build in there, and you can add just sticks in there if you open them up. So you cut those sticks in half and you can just add them into the gun, melt them, and your preferred glue is ready to use, and as much as you want to use. But a really big thing that is coming at last, because of these professional guns, there is something really interesting. We can start using really professional pallet glues. And how does that work? Well, you just take your gun, you grab your glue, and you just fill up the container, melt it, and make sure you close the container, put the gun straight, wait a little bit for it to melt, and your professional glue application is ready to use. So, very interesting stuff coming pretty soon. It's going to be online pretty soon as well. And then ready for pre-order delivery by the month of March. So guys, let me know what you think. See you next time. Bye.